Sir, I swear to God, for the last time, I can't give you a free sub sandwich for a 5-year-old coupon. Anyways. Hi, welcome to Subway. What would you like to order? What do I want? Let's see. Hurry up. Okay. I don't have all day. Please. Okay. Can I have a pizza? Where in hell do you see pizza on our menu? Well, I don't know, but I don't know. This is a Subway. We sell sandwiches. Are you stupid? Well, no. At least I don't think so, but I think no. Well, if you weren't stupid, you'd look at that menu and you'd see that there isn't pizza and that we don't sell it. Well, I thought you would, but... Get out! Get out! Okay. Just open. Oh, hey, welcome to Subway. Why do you not have any clothes on? To prove a point. Oh, God. Okay, just tell me what you want to order. Can I please just get a Philly cheesesteak? Oh, okay. Oh. Okay. Alright. Here you go. Will that be cash or card? Card. Here's my debit card. I am not taking your card. You swipe it. Okay. Thanks. Have a good day. Oh, God. Why? Alright, let's just try to have an actually normal day. Hi, welcome to Subway. Hi. Can I just get a meatball sub? Or on second thought, can I actually get a pizza sub? Oh. Okay, finally, a normal customer. Okay, would you like any marinara sauce? Yes, actually. Could I actually get extra? Okay, extra. Can I have a bit more? Okay. More. What do you mean more? More! Okay. More! I can't add more marinara sauce. It's gonna spill out of the sandwich. More. Okay. I want more! Is that good? Okay, I'm afraid I'm afraid that's the most sauce we can put on the sandwich. Okay. I can't add any more though. Oh my God, the sandwich is eating me! The sandwich is eating me! Man, that was so good.